Okay, student, now the question, first D part, the question is saying, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together? It means we will add the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. Okay, after taking the temperature of these two places, we'll get one answer. So can we say, the question is saying the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together, we'll add it, is less. Okay, the temperature of these two places is less than the temperature of Shimla. Okay, it means when we will add these two, temperature is less than the temperature of Shimla. So we will check first this thing. Now one more thing they are asking, is it also less than the temperature of Srinagar? Then we have to check, it is also less than the temperature of Srinagar. I hope you all have understood. It means what we have to do, we'll add the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taking together. We'll add the temperature, we'll get one answer. We have to check whether this temperature is less than the temperature of Shimla. It means it should be greater, the temperature of Shimla. And again we'll take the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla, that answer. And we have to check with Srinagar also, that is it also less than the temperature of Srinagar. It means the temperature of Shimla should also be greater than the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla, and the temperature of Srinagar should be greater than the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. So we have to check two things over here. So firstly we'll start with the first one. Now see the number line. Okay, now the temperature of Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius and the temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. Now as you can see, I have written the temperature of Srinagar is equals to -2 degrees Celsius, and then I have written the temperature of Shimla is equals to 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, now what I have written, the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together, we will add both the values. Okay, now the temperature of Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius plus the temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. So we will add these values. Now as you can see, one is having minus sign, other is having plus sign. So plus minus is equals to minus. So 5 minus 2 will be 3 degrees Celsius. Now in 5 and 2, which is a greater number? 5 is a greater number. It is having plus sign. So it will be plus 3 degrees Celsius, or we can write 3 degrees Celsius. Okay. Okay, now the question was asking, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? So now we know the answer of Srinagar and Shimla temperature. It is 3 degrees Celsius is less than the temperature of Shimla. The temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. So this temperature is less than the temperature of this? Of course, yes. So the question which they are asking is correct. It means the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together, that is 3 degrees Celsius, is less than the temperature of Shimla, that is 5 degrees Celsius. Okay. This was true, so I have written, so the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla. It shows here also that the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is 3 degrees Celsius is less than the temperature at Shimla. Now second condition we'll find out. Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Okay, now the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla is what? 3 degrees Celsius is less than the temperature at Srinagar, and that the temperature of Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius. So this condition is false, because the temperature of Srinagar is -2 degrees, whereas the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is 3 degrees Celsius. So this condition is false. As you can see, I have written the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla is 3 degrees Celsius. It is greater than the temperature at Srinagar. Okay, so we will write the statement. So I have written, no, the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is not less than the temperature of Srinagar. So what we have done in this question, we have added the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla, that is 3 degrees Celsius. Then we have checked with Shimla and then with Srinagar. So the temperature of these two is less than the temperature of Shimla, and the temperature of Shimla and Srinagar is greater than the temperature of Srinagar. I hope you all have understood this question. Thank you.